16.12 Unformatted file IO functions. Already explained. Here also file IO also, like console IO, formatted functions and unformatted functions. Here now I am introducing unformatted IO functions. F two sets. One is F put S and F get S, its counterpart. S, F file, put writing, S string, F file, get reading, S string. So all the names are self-explanatory, and this function F put S is meant for writing strings on a file, and F get S is meant for reading strings from a file. In that, specialized functions are provided, and next put W and get W. These are the specialized unformatted functions for writing integer on a file, reading integer on a file. So first let us see two programs to see the functionality of these two sets of programs. Here 16.7. 16.7, first we defined a string, that is freedom. Thereafter one file we created, and that is star.dem. Star.dem we already created, and in that W plus mode. Yes, you see FP, F open, star dem W plus. Actually, already star.dem file we create, like alphabet dem.file in current directory you create. Now you open that file in W plus mode. W plus mode means writing and reading. But already we created file newly. That's why there is no data in the file. If already data is existing in the file, don't open that. If you open that, all the data is erased. That point you have to understand. Now here you see F put S, F put S, want FP. Already one string you have created, that is want FP. That string is written where FP points. That is the meaning. And rewind the file. Then what you are doing? F get S. F get S string len string plus 1 FP. This is the syntax. According to that, you are reading the string, and writing the same string on the monitor screen. So this is the thing. Now you see this str you declared in the 7th line. Now the same string you are reading into the str, and the same syntax you have to use. FPTS, this syntax you must remember, and by that whatever string you have written is stored in the str string, and then it is being written on the monitor screen using printf, that is console. So here also you can find 4 operations. 4 operations means actually you are not entering any data from the console. That's why that is not there. Actually we initialize the want string with the freedom. Then Thereafter, what we are doing here, put s. We are not reading anything from the keyboard. Here, we are writing a string using put s on the file. Thereafter, after rewinding, we are reading the same string from that and storing in str string, and str we are writing on the monitor screen. So you can find only three operations. First operation, reading from console, is not there because already the string we are not reading. The string already we initialize in the sixth line. That you have to observe. Thereafter, writing and reading integer values on a file, that we see in the next program. 16.8. 16.8, you create a file named digit dem. One file you create. In this file, you are going to write characters in this file, and thereafter you read and display. See the functionality. Now you see already you created a new file and you open that file in W plus mode. See 11th line. Thereafter, now you see you created for loop. In the for loop, it is meant for reading 10 characters, 10 digits, 10 numbers you enter, scanf reads, and then actually here c is equal to 0 I have given in for loop. You can write c is equal to 1, c is less than or equal to, because here no array is there. So then you can write c is equal to 1, c is less than or equal to 10, you write, nothing wrong. And scanf, you read 10 numbers from integer values from the keyboard. Put w function, you see, put w function is writing num. What is the syntax? You see, whatever number you are reading, that number is being written on the file where fp is pointing. Thereafter, you are rewinding. Thereafter, you are reading by using getW function. Page line number 18 you see. 18 you see, and where file pointer is showing, there it reads, and immediately printf statement displays those numbers on the monitor screen. Here 10 numbers we entered through scanf, and put w wrote those numbers on the file. Thereafter, by using getW, line number 18, we are reading those numbers and we are displaying those numbers using printf. Here we are finding 4 operations. Reading numbers from the console, 14th line. Writing the same numbers on file, that is 15th. Reading the numbers from the file, 18th. Writing those numbers on the monitor screen, 19th. So now all the numbers are displayed properly. This is the way. Now we learned by using unformatted functions, fputs and fgets. We have written a string on a file, and by using fgets, we read the string from the file and displayed on the monitor screen. In the same manner, by using putw, we write a number on the file, and by using getW, we are reading the number from file. Ultimately, we are displaying on the monitor screen.